In this video, I'm going to show you how to write your Python code in VS Code and also show you how to write a Python code in CMD prompt also. So don't waste it, let's get into the video.
Hey guys, this is Thilak from Team Curious.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to write your Python code in VS Code and also show you how to write a Python code in CMD prompt also. So don't waste it, let's get into the video. Before writing your code, first check whether you have Python installed or not. For that, just open your CMD prompt and write Python space some version and press enter. Then you can see here I have Python 3.90 version. So if you don't have any version, then don't worry about it. I will show you how to download Python. So let's open Chrome. Just write Python. In Python, the first page is welcome to python.org. Click it and downloads. Here we have see the download Python. Here 3.9 is the latest version, and you can see here download the latest version of your Windows and download it 32-bit, and you can download 32-bit. Otherwise it is 64-bit. It is a normal installation as usual. Just wait, I will show the installation because I previously downloaded my version. You can install now. I don't want to install because I already installed it. Yes. Now again check your CMD, same process. Open your command prompt and same use the Python command. You can find this version, the final. Now I'm going to show you how to set up Python in VS Code. This step we have to open our Python and go to extensions. Here search for Python extension. Here the first one is from Microsoft. You can trust it. Just install it. I had installed it previously, so I don't want to install it again. Install it with the simple steps. After that, open your folders. I have already opened. Okay. Selecting a new file. New file. Paste. Curious. .py, don't forget .py is the next. So just I'm writing print. Hello guys. That's it. Now run the code. You can see here. Hello guys. That's it guys. I've shown you in VS Code. Now you can write your code even in CMD prompt also. Just open CMD prompt and just open Python setting up directory. After that, just write your code. A simple printing of hello print. Don't forget the syntax. It is very easy and simple when compared to other programming languages because it doesn't look for semicolons or printf statements like that. Just picking up the things very clearly and fastly. So hello curious, right? Okay, fuck, right? Here I don't mentioning any semicolon. You can get hello curious. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.